Here are some renovations that will actually add value to your home. Number 1, landscaping. You can improve your home's landscaping and make your curb appeal, make your home look more attractive to potential buyers. You can add trees, shrubs, and just a fresh coat of mulch makes such a difference. Number 2, update flooring. This could be carpet or hardwood or LVP. This can give your home such a fresh, updated look. Number 3, paint. Never underestimate what paint can do. A fresh coat of paint can make your home look brand new, and especially neutralizing some of those darker colors you may have in your home. Kitchen remodel. Now, I'm not talking about spending $100,000 on a kitchen remodel. What I'm saying is maybe update your counters. You could even paint your cabinets and add some new hardware and do some new appliances. This is a great way to add value to your home. Number 5, bathroom remodel. The same thing goes for the bath. Freshen it up a little bit. You don't have to redo your entire bath to make a difference. Remember to keep the updates and renovations in line with the value of your home. Simply some fixtures and some lights can make all the difference. So make sure you talk to your realtor when you're deciding what's best for your home.